What's up you guys, my name is Mac, this is Cherry Bomb, and today we're going to install the Vivid Lumen Industries fog lights. It's a very easy install, let's get right into the video. Alrighty guys, this is a very easy install. All you're going to need for this install is a trim removal tool, a 10mm, and a Phillips head screwdriver. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so for this install what we need to do is obviously get behind this fog light, and so what we're going to do is we're going to partially remove the wheel liner, which is very easy. There are 3 10mm bolts to do that. There's going to be one right down here, one right here, and then one right here, and then we use the trim removal tool on this, and that'll allow us to pull the wheel liner back a little bit so we can stick our hand in there, unplug the lights, unscrew one screw, take it out, and put the new lights in. Let's get to it. Alright, and then once you have those 3 screws out and the little piece there, you're just going to start to pull the wheel liner out. And you can use the pry removal tool to move this over and out of the way. Alright, so we've pulled it back. I didn't really actually pull it back that much on the bottom because there is a bracket, but you can see in there, this is what we're moving, and literally all we needed to do is remove that Phillips screw in the upper left corner. Let's do it. Before we unscrew, we need to make sure we undo the plug here, and then we can unscrew that one screw. And then the light is going to rock out just like this. So you can see it has these 2 tabs on the side, so it tabs in and rocks in just like that. Alright guys, so we're about to install the light. It's worth noting that the bracket is already on here, and then oh, please don't scratch. I already have the adapter on here. I got these used from Milk Wagon. Shout out to him for giving me a great deal. Let's throw them on. Quick note, this goes for any light, not just this brand. Based off the housing, make sure that you're installing the correct side on the correct side. So I'm on the driver's side currently, and the little tabs that you rock into are going to be on the right, and then the screw tabs are going to be on the left. Let's throw it on. Take our little Phillips and put the little plug on. Alright, so recommendation is make sure your fitting is good, put in that Phillips screw, plug it in, and then turn the truck on to make sure that the lights are on. And then what I'm going to do is, because I'm going to do a Viper cut in the future and I don't want to cut these wires, so I'm going to zip tie them up here so that way they aren't affected by the Viper cut. Alright, so just like that, zip tied out of the way, and it's just going to keep the wires from bouncing around a little more. Ba-boom. Here's a little comparison between stock and the upgraded ones. They're definitely brighter. Alright, let's get the other side on. Alright, so now I'm going to close up this side. I would definitely make sure you like the fitment, you like everything, that it obviously works. The plug can be put up upside down, so make sure you do that right. And I would zip tie the cables in place just so that they don't fly about. Do that before you put the wheel liner back in, or else that's going to be a big waste of your time. So I'm going to close up this side and then go do everything I did on this side to the other side. Let's do it. Alright, there you guys go. That's it. Very easy install. Definitely could be done in less than 30 minutes. Less than 15 if you really know what you're doing. So I hope this video helps with your install. We've been doing a lot of installs lately, so I'm going to put the playlist in the corner and check out some of our other installs. Thank you guys so much for watching. God bless. We'll see you guys next time. This is Cherry Bomb, and today we're installing the Vivid Lumen Industries fog lights. It's a super